Hello there. I have my new package. Well, I just get home from our school, so I'm really excited to see what it is because well, it's huge. It's only these things. Okay, so they're not albums of my best friend, but yeah. But hey, I have this one. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, the album. Okay, so this happened to the poster. Oh god damn it! Why this one? Okay, so this happened to my poster of Shiny. I'm not crying. I'm just oh god. Why? Why BTS? Why? Okay. So I don't have a poster. But yes. Okay, so I bought this, the cassette. I have the here, this one. Finally, I have my Love Me Right album extra, and this is not from me. This is from another friend. I'm not going to give her this tomorrow. I think this is a good thing about this week because we are on our finals. Let's just say that this is the only hope. But hey, okay, I'm going to open. Let me. I put it. No! I'm sorry. Are you okay, baby? I hope you're okay. Okay. So let's try to open this one. Oh, this is easy. So it's raining. God damn it. Okay. So here one. Oh, like this. Wait. Why? I'm going to. Okay, July. Right. So here. It's so beautiful. I think I'm going to, yes, like this. It's so beautiful. I don't find the. Okay. This is my favorite. Well, my favorite album is Exodus, but well, yes. This is a pack, so it's the same. Yes. I think here everyone knows how it is. Oh, Sehun, so beautiful. Lay, Suho, Jane, my little dinosaur. Oh my god, I really like this. Oh, this is awesome. I never seen it. You look so handsome. You're not my bias, but still. Oh, Xiumin, Lay, Jane, you're my bias. Oh my god, oh god, you look so. Oh god. Oh. Guy, Chanyo. Oh my god, I have Lay. Oh, I have Lay. This is so cute. Look at him. Oh, I want to. Oh god, my little angel. Okay, so I'm really excited because this is my first Lay. Yes, really excited. Okay, next one. It's going to be this. Oh god. Hope you're easy. Oh god. Let's just say that it. Okay. this was easy. Yes. So here it is. Okay, so here is the poster. I think so. Yes, this is a poster. Yes, this is a poster. Oh, look at them. Oh god, I'm afraid. Look at them. They're, oh good. You can look at them. Oh yes, like this. They are so famous. Oh, sure. Oh my god, I'm really excited because look at that face. Let's just look at that face. That's or this face. Or look at him, Namjoon, Jimin, J-Hope, Hoseok, Yoongi, Taehyuna. Oh, so cute. Okay. I want to cry because they're so famous. Okay, I don't know how to. I don't know. Help me. What's happening? I don't know how to. Is this like Oh god, I don't know what to do anymore. I don't know what to do anymore. Okay, yeah. Okay. So like this. I'm going to be honest. Also, I haven't seen an unboxing of this album, so it's new for me. Okay. I want to laugh. Oh god. I have J-Hope, a little sunshine. I'm so happy and like here. J-Hope. J-Hope. I'm so happy. I have my little sunshine. I also want my other sunshine that is Jonggi, but I'm happy. I have my sunshine. Okay, I need to stop with this voice. Nanda, 13. I want to laugh. Look at his hair. Look at that. Oh my god. Suga, Yoongi, my sunshine. You look so handsome. Also you and you and you, Yimi. Wow. What is this? Please. Thank you. Oh, so fetish. Oh, this is perfect. Okay. So I'm going to put our two in like this. They look so handsome. Lyrics? Yes. Oh, yes. Everybody say no. Whoa, look at this card. Well, yes. I'm happy with this. Really happy. Because I have my sunshine. Okay, oh wait, this. It's here or here? I think here, I don't know. I don't remember. I'm going to. Okay, and the last one is this one. Oh no, the last one is shiny. Okay, so right now the weather is like bad because it's raining, and it's really weird to here in my city to get like this. But hey, I'm happy because I like the rain and I have my albums. I waiting for my other album, but hey, okay, this cannot be saved. So this is like this, dark and light. I hope this I have sugar, and if I don't have sugar, then I'm going to be happy because I love the others as well. Okay, chan. I have the hidden, yeah. Oh well, I sound so hypocrite. No, I'm happy that I have Daehyun, but I think I have a lot of Daehyuns, but yes. Daehyun. Well, I only have one Daehyun, but well, you understand. Well, you don't understand because I need to shut up. Yes. It's like so cute. Look at that. Look at this little sunshine. What this? Family. Yeonsuk. Namjin, Taekook, Youngseok, Jimin. Aww, so sad. Aww. He looks so handsome. I'm sorry for my nails. Okay, so let's watch. I'm afraid. Okay. This album is so good. I love how it's how okay. I think I need to. I wanna be loved so bad. Oh, me too. Love turns stranger. Oh well, no. My love ain't going nowhere. Oh, my heart is so full of. Oh my God. You're the only one that I need. Oh, I love you, however painful it will be. Oh, get it, tranquilo, Pablo Neruda. Why don't you love me like I do? Get the number one last night. I had some. I took the person taught me like you. I tried to find somebody new. Gonna be like you. Okay, like I really love how he looks. Haseok, why are you like this? Also, sugar bud, youngie bud. Look at this. Oh well, wait. Look at this. Look how handsome he is, my sunshine. Oh God, how bad guy he is. Yes, I'm a bad boy, so I like bad girls. I like it so much. Beautiful. Okay, you're like, how can I? This is like this, and you're like this. I'm afraid of this. Okay, let's just leave it like this. You are like this, and you're like this, and you're like this. Okay. A beautiful album, if I say myself. Yes, beautiful. And the last one, because the other one I can't open it, is this one. I really want to take a photo of this one, but I'm using my cell phone to. Oh, good. How can I open this? I don't remember. This. Okay, I'm not cool because I forgot how they open this. Oh, right. I know. No. Yes. Is this? Yes. Please tell me I'm doing right. Yes, then I'm going to. Oh, yes, I'm good. Okay, yes. Okay, yes. I was getting scared. Oh, my finger. Oh, okay. Chan. So it's like this. I don't know if I have. Let me see if I have. Okay, so this is all from Koreanmall. Even this one and my little poster. But well, I hope you like it. And if you have more than $39 in your card, the shipping is free. So let's just say that it's really good because this is my I don't know what order it is, but it's really good. I already ordered it from like more than 3 times. Yes, definitely. But yeah, hope you like it.